Johnny is a joker, he's a bird, a very funny joker, he's a bird. But when he jokes my honey, he's a dog, his joking ain't so funny. What a dog. Johnny is a joker that's trying to steal my baby, he's a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song you ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what a howl. To me it's just a wolf dog on a prowl. Johnny wants to fly away and probably love my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dog alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick and leave a longer alone. Johnny kissed the teacher, he's a bird. He seems to love to reach her, he's a bird. Well, is the teacher's bed now? He's a dog. What he was, he's been getting now. What a dog. He even made the teacher let his next my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dog alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick and leave your longer alone. He's a bird.